I'm going to show you how you can build money-making coupon and deal sites that get free traffic and generate affiliate commission every day. Frugal is a cloud-based app that builds 100% automated coupon sites. They come with free hosting included, and you can access the software anywhere from the web browser. There's nothing to install, you don't need to worry about software updates, and you can build your first site in 3 easy steps. It literally takes 2 minutes to set it up. First, log into the dashboard and click Build a New Site button. Let's give our site a name, and here you can pick a free subdomain. You can choose which niches you want your site to focus on, or you can just leave everything selected to include all possible coupons and deals. Click the Save button, and your site is created almost instantly. Let's go back to Sites and click on the domain link. You'll notice how clean the site is, and it's filled with more than 40,000 active coupons. And new ones are added every hour on a complete autopilot. Now here's the fun part. When people come to your site looking for a coupon code, they're going to click Get the Code button, and they'll be trying to copy it. But as soon as they click on it, the code gets copied automatically, and at the same time, a new tab opens up in their browser. And this is your affiliate link. This is how your site makes money. Look, people shop online all the time, and the COVID pandemic forced people to buy more stuff online rather than in stores. And so, as soon as they see that coupon box on the checkout, they fire up Google search and try to find that coupon code. And your site has thousands of pages optimized to rank high for very specific terms. Now, people usually type brand name or store name and coupon or discount. This is why we have store pages. They are even sorted by letters. And there are lots of popular shopping categories that are also made to rank high in search engines. And all these pages, these thousands of coupons, are using your affiliate links. Actually, let me show you where you enter your affiliate IDs. Back to the dashboard, click on affiliate settings, and here we're using 3 major affiliate platforms. Amazon, you can sign up for their affiliate program, and right away you can have your affiliate ID, or they call it associate tag. Just pop it in here, and all the links on the site that go to Amazon become your affiliate links. There's Commission Junction, very popular platform with thousands of stores working through them. Also very easy to sign up, and you get your affiliate IDs instantly. There's a video tutorial here on the site that will show you how to do it in more details. And finally, there's a ShareASale affiliate platform. It's also a very well-known affiliate program with thousands of brands, and you can get signed up in just a few minutes. You'll instantly get your affiliate ID, and you'll be ready to earn commission from your site right away. Your site also comes with a blog that already has some articles built in. And if you want, you can add more content later for even more search engine traffic. So that's pretty much it. Very unique software, super easy to get started even if you're just a beginner and you've never made any profit online. I hope you pick it up and get started with your coupon and deal site today. Go ahead, click that buy button, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.